Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're diving into a delicious treat that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a late-night snack. Belgian waffles. If you haven't already, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. Trust me, you'll want to stick around. Now, let's get into it. For these perfect Belgian waffles, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Grab yourself 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then, in another bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups of milk, and half a cup of melted butter. And for that extra touch of flavor, don't forget a splash of vanilla extract. Once you've got everything prepped, it's time to combine the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Mix them gently until just combined. Trust me, a few lumps are totally okay. Now, preheat your waffle iron and lightly grease it if needed. Pour in that luscious batter and close the lid. Let the magic happen. As those waffles cook, you'll be greeted by that heavenly aroma wafting through your kitchen. Just a few minutes later, you'll have golden, fluffy waffles, ready to be topped with whatever your heart desires. Maple syrup, fresh berries, whipped cream, or even a scoop of ice cream if you're feeling indulgent. And there you have it, the perfect Belgian waffles made in no time. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more deliciousness. Until next time, happy cooking!